I make sure that I always got enough glue on the edges there.
Do you put all your stuff in frames, or sometimes you just hang it like somehow?
Well, you can hang it if you can drill a hole in your glass and just hang it on glass.
Oh. And I took that hanger glass course, and they have all these.
Oh, the hang it things?
Yeah.
I haven't used those, and the reason is I'm afraid because of the weight. And if it ever falls off the wall, I'm in deep doo-doo.
Don't hang it over your bed.
Oh, there's that mirror image. It is much heavier than the frame I've got for it. And I put it in a place where the cat can't get, nobody can get at it, you can look at it, but don't touch, because it's going to go. I know it's going to go.
Well, they say that those things will support it.
I'm not denying that.
You just started.
I just know for something that heavy, I would do it for a lighter piece. I just wouldn't do it for a 70, 80-pound piece. I've had it where I put it on the wall and it pulls out the wall. So now I'm making sure that I get it into a stud of some kind, or else I'll do 3 holes in there, and I make sure one of them, like I use eye hooks on those, I'm making sure one at least hits a stud. Hey, it's 75 pounds. We live in California. You heard of earthquakes? All right, so now I put this down, and then I
wiggle it.
move it back and forth to get rid of all the air bubbles. This is why it's so important to use the sky stone, because I'm touching this with bare fingers, and I can't tell you how many times I've cut myself. Okay, so now I'm going back over this, and I'm pressing down, and in about 20 minutes, that'll at least be somewhat dry on there, and maybe by the end of the day, it'll be a little bit harder. So now I'll take this is yours, I don't want to screw yours up, and I use this as my guide, and I make sure it's right up to that. Don't worry if you have glue, the glue will dry clear, and then later on, what I have a tendency to do, when I'm finished with that, I'll run a bead right down this way, so make sure the grout isn't going to get into it. This is black, so it doesn't make any difference if the grout gets in it, because you're not going to see it. But if it was a clear piece, then you want to make sure you got your border around it. That's not going to happen. Then you go, always do this side. Now you're going to do this one, my dear.
Okay.